Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with the Spotify app on your Android smartphone, like it's not playing music or it's just not working right. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button, select the apps tile, and then you want to go and select where it says see all apps and then scroll down to Spotify and select that and select where it says storage and cache. Select the clear cache option and then relaunch the app, see if you're still having these issues. If you are, you may want to clear the storage, select delete and then relaunch the app, and then hopefully at that point your issues should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.